Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Highest rainfall was recorded from Valpoi, which was 85 millimeters of rainfall, that is coming under heavy rainfall category. Then there were stations Old Goa, Perne, Mapsa, which all reported around 4 centimeters of rainfall. Panji reported 21 millimeters, Kapem reported 22, and Sangam 25 millimeters of rainfall. Then Konkani also reported 39 millimeters of rainfall. For extremely heavy rainfall or 20 centimeters of rainfall to take place over Goa in the coming 48 hours. We can see in the cloud and the satellite imagery that a lot of cloud is getting formed near and around Goa, and the radar image also justifies that there is a lot of clouds that are forming over Goa, and the northern talukas, northeastern talukas are going to get a good amount of rainfall, probably of the order of very heavy or even extremely heavy in this 24 hours. So based on these three systems, IMD has upgraded the color of 15th June warning. There is possibility of extremely heavy rainfall at one or two places, that is rainfall exceeding 20 centimeters in 24 hours is possible at one or two places over both the districts of Goa on 14th and 15th of June. And heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters and 12 centimeters respectively, that also is possible over the districts of Goa with scattered distribution or at a few places. That means 25 to 50 percentage of the rainfall reporting stations may record heavy to very heavy rainfall in these 3 days, 14, 15 and 16.